In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make dotted line in Inkscape. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see your canvas ready to go. If you already have a file you want to work with, open it. Otherwise, create a new document so you can follow along easily. A blank canvas is perfect for practicing, and you can always adjust the page size or zoom level to make your work area comfortable. Next, draw a simple line. You have two great options here. Use the Bezier tool, which you can activate with the B key if you want a precise straight segment or controlled curves. Click once to start, click again to place the endpoint, and press Enter to finish. Or use the pencil tool with the P key if you prefer a freehand stroke. Click and drag to sketch your path, then release to complete it. Keep your line selected. If it deselects, switch to the selection tool and click the line once. Now open the Fill and Stroke panel. The quickest way is pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus F. This panel typically docks on the right side and gives you all the stroke controls you'll need. Make sure you're adjusting the settings with the line still selected so you see the changes update live on the canvas. Inside the Fill and Stroke panel, switch to the Stroke Style tab. This is where you define how the line is rendered, its width, cap style, joins, and, importantly for this tutorial, the dash pattern. Open the Dash's drop-down menu and choose a pattern. You'll find several dotted and dashed options. As you click through them, Inkscape applies each style to the selected line immediately, so you can pick the look that matches your design. Some options create evenly spaced dots, while others create longer dashes or alternating patterns. To make those dots truly circular, change the cap setting to round cap. This softens the ends of each dash segment, turning short dash marks into clean, round dots. Without round cap, dots can look square or clipped, so this one adjustment makes a big difference. Finally, adjust the width of the stroke to control the size of the dots. Increasing the width makes the dots larger, and often slightly changes the spacing, while decreasing it makes them finer and more delicate. Take a moment to zoom in and fine-tune the width until the dotted line feels balanced. If the dots look too close or too far apart for your layout, try a different dash preset, and then revisit the width. And that's it. You've created a dotted line in Inkscape by drawing a path, opening the Fill and Stroke panel, choosing a dash pattern, setting round cap, and tuning the stroke width for the perfect finish.